How to turn on HDR effect on REDnote app. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open REDnote app. After that, log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three lines located on top left corner of your screen. Then in here, click on settings, which is located on bottom left corner of your screen. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply click on General Settings, which is below Account Security and above Notification Settings. In here, you'll find HDR Effect, below Silent Play and above History. Make sure to turn it on. There is red color on it. After that, you're good to go. That's how to turn on HDR Effect on REDnote. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.